Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal with no fees. Now what you want to do is on your dashboard you can click on PayPal balance to transfer money. If you haven't already, go ahead and add a bank account. Okay, that is how you can go ahead and go about this if you can. So click on link a bank, choose your bank, and search it up, then link it. So for example, we have this one linked, and what you do is once you have that linked, you can go to your PayPal balance as well. You can go ahead and transfer money. If you already have a balance, that's perfect. So you click on transfer money and you choose where you want to transfer. So you either transfer money to your bank or, for example, and then you go ahead and choose how you want to transfer the money. So there's a standard option that typically takes 1 to 2 business days. So you choose this one, this is free, or you can take the instant one. This one has a fee. Okay. Then you choose the one you want and then tap here on next, enter the amount you want to go ahead and send, and then tap on next. You review your transfer. As you can see, it is free, and you just make the transfer. Okay, really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.